Every summer, drivers across the country hand over hundreds, sometimes thousands, of dollars to fix an AC problem that could have been solved for the price of lunch. The worst part? Most of them never even find out. If you've ever sat in traffic, sweat dripping down your back, praying for that first blast of cold air, you might be about to make the same mistake. Right now, there's a $10 trick, fast, simple, and shockingly effective, that could have your AC blowing ice cold in minutes. But mechanics aren't exactly rushing to tell you about it, because when you know this, you're taking hundreds of dollars out of their pockets. In the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal exactly what it is, how it works, and why skipping it could leave you sweltering all summer and broke by the end of it. You're going to learn the exact $10 fix I've personally used, step by step, to turn a weak, wheezing AC into one that blasts ice-cold air like it's brand new. No special tools, no mechanical background, just a simple method anyone can do at home. And here's the twist. The real cause of most AC problems isn't a broken compressor, a leak, or anything expensive. It's something so basic, so overlooked, that most drivers never even think to check it, and that's exactly why mechanics make a fortune from it every summer. Why people waste money on AC repairs. A friend of mine, Mark, pulled into a repair shop last July with an AC that barely pushed out cool air. Within minutes, the mechanic was shaking his head, listing off a $700 repair that had to be done. New compressor, refrigerant recharge, labor fees, the works. Mark didn't question it. He handed over his credit card, drove away with a frosty cabin, and never realized he'd been played. The truth? His compressor was fine. His refrigerant levels were fine. The real issue could have been fixed in minutes for about $10. But here's the problem. Most drivers think if cold air stops coming, it must be a major failure. Shops know this. They prey on that fear, pushing costly parts and repairs when the fix is often laughably simple. This is why so many people believe they have to replace expensive components when they actually don't. And why knowing the truth can keep hundreds of dollars in your pocket. The real cause most people ignore. Here's what most mechanics won't tell you. In a huge number of cases, the real culprit behind weak, warm AC isn't some complicated high-tech failure. It's your cabin air filter. Think of it as the lungs of your car's AC system. Over time, dust, pollen, leaves, and even tiny bits of debris clog it up, choking the airflow before it ever reaches you. The result? Your AC works harder, blows warmer, and eventually struggles to cool at all. It's such a simple part, but because it's hidden behind the dashboard or glove compartment, most drivers forget it even exists. And that's where shops make their move, charging premium rates for something you could replace yourself in minutes. The good news? You don't need fancy tools, special skills, or a mechanic's lift. In fact, with the $10 trick I'm about to show you, you can bring your AC back to life faster than it takes to drink a cup of coffee. The $10 trick. Here's how you can do it yourself. And yes, it really is this simple. First, locate your cabin air filter. In most cars, it's behind the glove compartment. Open it, and you'll usually see a couple of clips or screws holding a thin panel in place. Pop that off, and there it is. The hidden source of your AC's struggles. Pull the filter out and take a look. If it's covered in dust, leaves, or looks like it's been living in a lint trap, you found your problem. Now comes the $10 part. Head to any auto parts store or even order online and grab a replacement filter for your specific car model. Slide the new one in, reattach the cover, and close your glove compartment. That's it. No refrigerant recharge, no mechanic, no massive bill. Just cold air pouring in like new. If you love saving money with simple car hacks like this, you're going to want to stick around for the next videos. So hit that subscribe button. You'll be shocked how many big repairs turn out to be tiny fixes, just like this one. The results. The difference is instant. Before the fix, the AC felt like it was just moving warm air around, barely taking the edge off. After swapping the filter, the first blast was crisp, dry, and ice cold. the kind that makes you double-check if you accidentally turn the dial too far. The airflow? Stronger, smoother, and no longer fighting against that dusty choke point. I've had dozens of people message me after trying this trick, and the reactions are almost identical. I can't believe I suffered through summer for this long. And my mechanic quoted me $600, and I fixed it for $10. That's the beauty of it. No special skills, no wasted money, and immediate results. Once you feel the change for yourself, you'll wonder how many other expensive repairs are hiding a simple, cheap solution. Bonus tip to extend AC life. Here's something most drivers never do, and it's the reason their AC problems keep coming back. About 60 seconds before you turn off your car, switch off the AC, but leave the fan running. Why? Because this blows out the cold, damp air trapped inside the system, preventing moisture from building up. Moisture is the breeding ground for mold, bacteria, and that nasty old gym sock smell that some cars get. Even worse, over time, it can cause internal parts to corrode, making your AC less efficient and more prone to failure. By running the fan for that extra minute, you dry out the system, keep the airflow clean, and make it harder for debris to stick to your brand new cabin filter. Combine this with replacing the filter every 12 months, or sooner if you drive in dusty areas, and you'll keep your AC performing like new for years. The best part? This little habit costs nothing, takes zero effort, and can save you hundreds in future repairs. And yes, it works on almost every make and model. So, before you even think about handing over hundreds or even thousands of dollars for AC repairs, remember this. A simple $10 trick could be all it takes to restore that icy, refreshing blast you've been missing. No complicated tools, no stressful negotiations at the repair shop, and absolutely no massive bill waiting to drain your wallet. Just a fast, proven fix you can do yourself in the time it takes to drink a cup of coffee. And here's what still blows my mind. This works on most cars, from everyday commuters to high-end luxury models that mechanics love to charge premium rates for. I've even seen people save over $1,000 by using this method instead of falling for the urgent repair shop's push. Imagine how much you could save if you knew every one of these simple, hidden tricks that repair shops don't want you to hear. Now, I want to hear from you. What's the most expensive car repair you've ever avoided or wish you had? Share your story in the comments. Your experience could help someone else dodge a huge bill. And if you never want to get ripped off again, hit that subscribe button right now. We've got a lot more insider hacks, hidden fixes, and money-saving secrets coming, so you're always one step ahead of the game. Every tip is designed to protect your wallet, keep your car running longer, and arm you with knowledge that mechanics hope you never learn. Stick around. Your next big saving could be just one video away.